Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. The news which we were all awaiting for some time is finally here. Ollama now officially supports Llama 3.2 vision model. What it means is that now you can chat with your images with the help of this celebrated model which was released few days back, and we already have covered it from various angles on the channel. Whenever I used to do a video on anything Ollama, every now and then I used to get this question as how can we use Llama 3.2 vision model with Ollama? It was already possible for the last couple of weeks when they were trialing it out, but now as you can see on their website it is officially available, and in this video I am going to show you how you can use that and how you can use this Llama 3.2 vision in your code with Ollama as to chat with your own images locally. Before I do that, let me give a huge shout out to our good friends at AgentQL who are sponsoring this video. AgentQL is a query language for extracting data from web pages quickly, easily, and at scale. It works on any page, it is resilient, it is reusable, and it structures the output according to the shape of your query. And I am going to drop the link to their website in video's description. Also, if you don't know what Ollama is, please go to my channel, just search it with Ollama, and you should be able to find heaps of videos around Ollama, as I have covered it more than I would say 7 to 800 videos in the last 1 year. Okay, so enough talk. Let me take you to my terminal where I'm running this Ubuntu 22.04, and I have one GPU card, NVIDIA RTX A6000 courtesy massed compute. I already have Ollama installed and I have all these models running on my Ollama, but I don't have vision model, which I'm going to show you how you can download. So for that, go to Ollama's website to this Llama 3.2 vision. If you don't see here, just click on models on the home page and then just type vision or Llama 3.2 vision and you should be able to get to this. Now, if you just scroll down a little, you will see that it comes in 11 billion and 90 billion size. So if you select the 90 billion one, you will see that its size is around 55 gigabytes. So make sure that whatever model you are using, you have that much space on your local system. So I'm going to just go with 11 billion. Plus, if you click on view all here, sorry, you see, not only that, you can even use it in Q4 quantization or Q8 quantization, whereas 11 billion is also available. So for instance, you can use Q4 KM in 7.9 gig, and I think I'm going to go with that one. So let me go back here. I'm going to select this 11 billion tag from here, and by default it goes with 7.9 gig, which means Q4 KM size, and it also shows you the quantization here. Okay, so that is done. If you go through this page, this tells you more information about Llama 3.2 vision, as what exactly that model is. It is primarily a collection of multimodal LLM, and it is quite optimized for visual recognition, image reasoning, captioning, and answering general questions about an image. But I'm not going to go into the detail of this model because I already have covered it in great detail. The purpose of this video is to just to show you how to run it in Ollama. So I'm just going to click here where you see that Ollama run Llama 3.2 vision 11 billion, and then I'm going to go with my terminal and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, now what happens here is that you sometime you might get this error, which is, I think it is good that we are getting this. It is telling us that we need a newer version of Ollama, so we need to upgrade Ollama. So instead of showing you here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to point to one of my videos. So Ollama upgrade, just search with Ollama upgrade and you will see this video where I have shown you in great detail in very easy way as how to upgrade and even downgrade Ollama version in Linux, Windows and Mac. So make sure that if you haven't installed it newly fresh, make sure to upgrade it. So let me upgrade it quickly or move to my upgraded version. So I have upgraded my Ollama version. Let's run this again, and this time you can see that it has started downloading it, and look at the speed. This is the VM and GPU by our very good friends from Mass Compute. If you're also looking to rent a GPU and VM on very good prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I will also give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs, so do check them out. Real good stuff by them. So you see that it has already downloaded the model and now it is verifying the checksum. So it should be done any second now. Okay, so that is all done. Let me exit from here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to um, open my VS Code. I will write a small piece of code to show you how you can run this vision model from your code. You can even run it from Ollama's console or terminal or even Python interpreter. But let's try it out with VS Code. I think it will be easier to explain. So let me open that quickly. And there you go. So what all I'm doing here is I'm importing this Ollama, and if you haven't already, you can just simply install it with pip install Ollama in Python, and then I am just using ollama.chat specifying this Llama 3.2 vision model, and then this is a user who is asking what is in this image, and this is a local path to my image. So what I'm saying here is, for example, if you go here, by the way, if you do Ollama list, you should be able to see that there is our Llama 3.2 vision model. Now, if you haven't already, just do this pip install Ollama, and that should install the Ollama on your local system. So that is done. And now in order to access this, just do Python. I think I have Python 3, so I'm just going to go with Python 3. Python 3 here, and this is the image which I'm going to check out. So I'm asking that Llama 3.2 vision model as what is in this image. So let me run that code. And there you go. So it has returned us a response. So if I just quickly show you, so it is saying that this image depicts a sunset with kangaroos and a flock of birds. The sun is centered in the frame, but obscured by clouds. Yeah, that is right, you see. Then this is a quantized version running in Ollama. How good is that? Really, really wonderful stuff. If you just want to talk with your images within your Ollama terminal or console, all you need to do is to run the model and then maybe just ask it describe the image, whatever you want to ask, and then paste the image here. Just the path of the whole image, and there you go. So it is telling you that what exactly in that image, and look at this one. This is even better. That the image depicts a serene Australian landscape because of kangaroos. So this is really good stuff. So this is how you can even talk with it in this interpreter. If you want to use GUI with Ollama, then we have our OpenWeb UI, which you can use. If you don't know how to use that, how to install that, please go to my channel, just search with OpenWeb UI and then follow this video to install and run OpenWeb UI with Ollama. So as you can see, I already have it running and open. On the top left, let's select our Llama 3.2 vision model and then click on this plus sign, upload file, select any image which you want to test out. So maybe I'll just say this, and I'm going to say which city is this, take your best guess, press enter. There you go. So it says that I would venture to guess that this is a city in Japan, possibly Tokyo or Osaka. Yeah, that is correct. It is Japan. I think it is Tokyo, but that's fine. Let's try out one more. So what is, I'm doing the OCR, what is that text in this image? And of course you can improve the prompt here. There you go. So it is just telling me about this, what exactly is written in this text. You can improve it to get those here. So you can see that not only you can it in your code, you can use it in interactively in Ollama's terminal, but also you can use it in OpenWeb UI with this. So I hope that you found it useful. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please do me a personal favor and share it on social media among your contact, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.